Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? So it is. This is the third week of fourth week of July. It is Tuesday. Tuesday 21st. So last week we had CPI, this USD CPI. I did some bullshit. Um, did some bullshit. I was trading like a fucking amateur. I don't know what happened. But this week we also have news, but it's yesterday we had card news, today we had GBP news, which explains this see this this weird this weird ass movement here today. This is GBP. Tomorrow we also have GBP, but it's a cool week, it's a slow week. Yeah, look at that movement, crazy. So this was this CPI? I don't remember for a CPI. When was CPI? When was CPI, bro? When was CPI? 10th to the 15th. Okay. Yeah, so could be CPI, I forgot. Um but Euro USD on the daily time frame. Lower low, lower high. So we are still bearish on the daily time frame. We are still bearish on the weekly time frame. We are still bearish. Lower low, lower high. Yeah, lower low, lower high, boom boom. So Euro USD is bearish. Yeah, bearish. What happened? We sold. Yeah, we sold, but we sold at this area, so we got stopped out. It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's at an area of interest. No, price has came price. This was CPI. Price pushed this up and came down. It is what it is. GBP USD on the daily time frame, lower low, lower high, or lower high. So this is a higher high and it's a higher low. So we are currently bullish. GBP USD. I was not expecting this. I don't know why. I don't know why. For some weird reason, I stopped looking at the trend. I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong with me. Because this happened a really long time ago. Price broke this lower high and it formed a higher high. I should have marked this high high. I should have marked this high low, but I didn't. I don't know why. Um, I need to get serious, man. How did I not know this price was bullish? This was a move I should have caught. I was selling. I was selling a bullish market. Crazy. This was CPI, pushed the price up, forming a new higher high on the daily time frame. High high. Okay. This was the high. This is now the high low. Price is headed towards the high low. We have our area of interest. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is an area of interest here. Let me go to the weekly. Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Visibility, current interval only. On the weekly time frame, we have daily is bullish. Daily bullish. Weekly, um, lower low. What? Lower low, lower high. Lower low, lower high. Lower high. Lower low, lower high. High high. I don't know why I didn't see this. USD JPY still forming high highs weekly. Still forming high highs. AUD USD. AUD USD. Another market that I sell this. I sold it here, and lower low, lower high. Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. Weekly time frame. High low, high high, high high. Bullish. Weekly time frame. NSD USD. Daily time frame. Low, higher high. Wait, lower low, lower high. So it's a higher high. It's a higher low. L, high low. You should do high and low. High high, high low. We are bullish. NSD USD. I don't know what. I, last week I don't know what happened. Like, I had a golden week. If I invested into the market last week, I probably have made an easy 2-3%. 2-3%, because this was a move that happened. I could have got that 2-3%. If I was trading the trend, I could have got this 2-3%. GBP USD, another 2% here if I was trading the trend. But I was probably afraid of this area of interest. So it's crazy. It's crazy what happens when you just follow what you know. You stop doing weird things. I was doing weird things, bro. Genuinely. USD card. USD card, high, 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 low. I don't know much about this market. It looks weird on the weekly time frame. High, 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 low. Um, I don't have much to say about the market. USD CHF, another market that another market, high, 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 low, or high, low, lower, low, lower, high. Um, did I sell? I bought USD CHF, made a bit of profit. Yeah, I don't really have much to say about USD CHF. It's crazy how fast the market moves, bro. Like, only recently we were here, bro. Now we're here. That's crazy. Um, AUD card. Ooh. Now, this market, I caught this move. Which move was it? This move. This I caught this buy. Okay. Caught this sell, caught this buy. Um Lower low, lower high. Should be the lower high. This should be the higher high. Should be the higher low. Lower low, lower high. Anyway, um this was the card news. Card news yesterday pushed it up, and today we are still pushing up. I was wrong here, so I took a loss. Yeah. I should have traded the trend. I should have looked at this area of interest, but it is what it is. NSD card, another market that I did stupidity. I don't know. NSD card, I caught this move, beautiful entry, but here, as you can see, I tried to sell NSD card. I completely ignored the trend. Just weird things. These weird things that you start doing and they compound. Like, you don't need to change anything. Just follow your strategy, follow your rule, follow the trend. Stop doing weird things, bro. Euro AUD, we completely lost this trade. We were hoping for buys. We actually bought this market way back here, bro. Like way back here. And I was hoping for it to keep on going. We got stopped out. I tried buying again. We got stopped out. Same with GBP AUD. I was looking for buys. I've been expecting this market to, you know, I bought here and it came, hit my stop loss and went up. It is what it is. The trend, yeah, it's just a trend. So that's it. Tomorrow we might buy a prop farm, first prop farm account. Um, I say we look for 2%, 1%, 1%. We don't need to make a lot of money. We don't need to go crazy. Like start doing weird stuff. I don't. Simple lot size, small lot size, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, and we can survive. I think if you start with 10 lot size or 5 lot size, I don't think you're going to last that long. I think if we go just a small lot size and we take it slowly, I think things could work out in our favor. Just take it slowly. Um, yeah, you can't control the market. If you just follow the trend, stop doing weird stuff. Don't be weird. Don't be gay. Like you're buying when you know you're not supposed to buy. You're selling when you're not supposed to sell. That stuff is just gonna cost you. It's gonna make your trading journey harder. When you start complicating things, just follow the trend, man. Just follow the trend, and that's it, man. Like, what other secret can I tell you? Follow the fucking trend. Believe in yourself. Execute. All this bullshit that you're told every day. Same, bro. Same shit every day. So last week was last week. This week is this week. Um, and when you get that profile account, don't be weird. Don't be gay. Okay, don't stop risking like you're gonna die tomorrow. It's a marathon. It's a long-term game. Okay, you don't need to be profitable tomorrow. You can be profitable in the next month, after 3 months, right? Yeah, you don't need 100,000 USD now. You can have it after 2 years. What's the problem with that? You still be around. If you are working a day-to-day job, a 9 to 5 job, you would not want 100,000 USD today. You would probably do some math and be like, this is how I can get 1,000 USD in 6 months, in 10 months. And you would do the math. But when it comes to trading, you don't want that. You want it now. So you mess up. You do all these weird things, right? I believe you have the capability. I don't believe you need to watch any more YouTube videos. I don't need to watch you need to watch any more motivational videos. There's a time for that and there's a time for action. I believe now is the time for action. Execute, you know, stay patient, right? If you can't get a read on what the market is doing, for example, you open Euro USD, you're like, oh my god, what's happening? Lower low, lower high, okay, bullish, bullish. I don't know what's happening. You don't need to execute and then lose your money and just crying. Start crying, "Wah, I lost my money, bro." Be patient, follow the trend, you know. Yeah, put God first. But now is the time for execution. The time to execute. Now is the time to fight. You don't need to you don't need to be weird and gay, bro. You don't need to give up and start crying and start saying, oh, trading is a scam. Just risk 0.5%. It'll take you longer, yes, but a real day job will take you longer. Like, come on. If I tell you right now to go work a 9 to 5, it will take you decades, literal months, years of hard work to get 10,000 USD. But if I tell you it will take you 12 weeks, 16 weeks, 18 weeks, 10 months to get 10,000 USD, you start crying. Use your fucking head, man. Okay? Take this as a business, take this as a job. You don't need huge piles of money right now. You can compound slowly, slowly, and get up there. So use this opportunity and grow. Yeah. Yeah. What else do you want? Motivation, bro. All that bullshit is nice, but you need to execute, right? You need to execute, execute, execute. Just execute. Buy, sell, put stop loss. What more can I tell you, man? What more can I tell you? So yeah, on my demo account, I sold a UD card. I sold here. It's in loss right now. It's like I expected this market to go down to break this area, but this is very strong. Like one, two, three, four, five. It's crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah.